Emergency Solana update. Things are moving in the markets right now. Prices are dropping down. We're getting some curious retests across the board on a lot of major coins right now. Let's talk about it. First and foremost, what the heck is Solana doing right now? So we have seen Solana pull back currently to the 200-day EMA right here, purple line on the chart, 20-day EMA, yellow line on the chart. Now, to be clear, a retest of these levels, totally cool, normal, and healthy. The question is it going to hold? Right now, U.S. markets have opened slightly in the red, but nothing too much to panic about, to be honest. Not that much crazy is going on. Some, credit rating downgrade for the USA, but the market in the U.S., futures market anyway, not reacting too badly currently to that news. Some news out of Japan saying that their economy is as bad as Greece right now. We'll see. This is the kind of stuff that tends to spook markets a little bit, but that gives us our retests. Retests are always a bit scary. Question is, will we hold here or will we come back down for a deeper retest at the 50-day EMA? Well, that's the question to see here in the next few days. Currently, time recording this video, remember we put in that $162 buy order last week for Solana? 57 cents away from getting hit. We'll see. Maybe even by the end of the video that gets hit, or maybe by the time you're watching this video, that's been hit. But that's the key level here for the retest. Again, a stop loss ordered in down here at 155, which gives us a bit of room on the wick. Curious level, though, as that is the previous resistance. So we'll see. It's a dicey area. But trading the retest bounce seems like a logical thing to do at this point. Let's see how we go. Long day ahead of us, 18 hours till the markets close for the daily candle. We'll see how that all plays out, but we'll see if this gets filled. About 50 cents away currently from getting that filled. You can see that Solana long open here, 162. No take profit on this, a stop loss at 155. So we'll see how that goes if that gets filled here. By the way, if you want to trade Solana or Bitcoin or Ethereum or Pepe or Dogecoin or whatever you want to trade, check out BitUnix, best place to be doing your trading, where I'm doing most of my trading these days. And here's the deal. You can trade from anywhere in the world, no KYC, no VPN. You'll get $10 for starting your account. You'll get $400 in deposit bonus. You deposit $1,000, you get $200. You deposit $2,000, you get $400 back. It's a crazy deal. And $2,000 in trading bonuses up for grabs here, guys. Go check it out. Link down below. Limited time offer, so make sure you hop on it. Now, Ethereum. Good news, my Ethereum limit long got triggered. Bad news, my Ethereum stop loss also got triggered like 5 minutes later. The 200-day did not hold as support here for ETH. Okay? ETH. It's Vitalik punishing me for selling my spot bags. Anyway, interesting. We'll see if we get as far as down to the 20-day EMA here. 2100 still seems like a very interesting target, to be honest. 50-day EMA, major line of support resistance for a very, very long time here on ETH. That move, though, however, 10% down. If ETH does re-move back down to those levels in the coming days, weeks, whatever it might be, my Solana long is totally getting stopped out. We can see a daily MACD bearish crossover here on ETH brewing up. Solana's already got the bearish MACD daily crossover, as you can see right here. Question is that going to be the start of a bigger move down, or is that going to be like we saw on the previous ones where price didn't actually move that much from the time of the bearish crossover? You see here on the 6th of April, for example, went from 120 down to 100. So that was a decent move, about 15% down. But then back here on the 4th of May, that was basically it. We only went down maybe 2% or so from the bearish MACD crossover. So we're going to find out which kind of bearish MACD crossover this is currently. Is it one that gets recovered relatively quickly, or is it one that leads to a bit of a deeper correction here back down to retest some key levels like maybe 150 or even 140, which you can see here, resistance, support. So we'll see how that plays out. Dogwifhat, of course, key Solana beta coin here. Needs about to come down about 15% to 18% in my opinion. That would give us a 50-day EMA retest. That would also retest this critical area of previous price resistance here. Okay, so that could be an interesting trade to be looking for. if you're looking for a beta trade here on Solana. Again, the implication, though, is if that happens, my Solana long is probably getting stopped out. So we'll see how that plays out. Currently, I still have my Pepe long open, which requires about a similar move down for Pepe in order to trigger the long position. But honestly, feels like a decent risk reward here for about 81 cents or so. So we'll put in a small trade here on WIF around 81 cents here. So if we get a deeper pullback, I am ready for that. If we don't get a deeper pullback, my Sol long triggers, great. This is more of a hedge here to see if we do get a more decent pullback or not, okay? So stop loss on this would be just under here. So around, let's say 77, 78 cents, something like that. I think we'll do 0.77. And then a take profit on this one would be for a decent bounce back up, at least to the 200-day EMA. So let's say about $1.15. Probably sounds like a pretty good take profit here if we can get that nice bounce playing out or not. Pretty good risk reward trade if it plays out in our favor. Click on open long there. Click confirm. We'll see how it goes. So now we are prepared, at least if things do drop more than we anticipate, and they could drop more than we anticipate. Then we're ready with a WIF long. If things bounce off the key moving averages soon, then our Sol long's ready for us as well. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.